What are the key principles of Roman law? If you're curious about the foundations of one of the most influential legal systems in history, you're in the right place. Let's explore the key principles of Roman law, which have shaped legal systems for centuries. Roman law was designed to foster unity and stability within the Roman society. It included two main systems of law: civil law, which applied to Roman citizens, and the law of nations, which was believed to apply to all people because it was based on natural laws. One of the core principles was the right of the accused to face their accuser and offer a defense against the charge. This ensured a fair trial process where the accused could present their case. Guilt had to be established clearer than daylight, through evidence, meaning that the evidence had to be very clear and convincing. Judges in the Roman legal system had the authority to interpret the laws and were expected to make fair decisions. During the Republic and early Empire, judges were often private individuals, known as iudex privatus, who had to be Roman male citizens. These judges had a lot of flexibility in how they conducted litigation and could consult jurists for advice, although they were not bound by their opinions. Roman law also recognized different types of law, including natural law, ius naturale, the law of nations, ius gentium, and civil law, ius civi. Natural law was the concept that all people had a common sense of what was right and wrong, similar to laws that govern animals. The law of nations applied to foreigners and their dealings with Roman citizens, while civil law was specific to Roman citizens. The concept of status was crucial in Roman law. A person's legal status determined their abilities and duties within the society. This could include being a Roman citizen, being free, or having a specific position within a Roman family. In terms of litigation, Roman law went through several systems of procedure. The earliest was the legis actions system, followed by the formulary system, and finally the cognitio extra ordinem system. The formulary procedure, used from the late Republic to the end of the Classical period, involved detailed descriptions of legal actions and defenses outlined in the praetor's edict. Contracts and property rights were also well defined. For example, the stipulatio was the basic form of contract, made in a question and answer format. The re vindicatio was a legal action to reclaim a thing that belonged to the plaintiff, and it was only available to Roman citizens. These principles and systems helped shape a legal framework that was fair, transparent, and effective, influencing legal systems far beyond the Roman Empire.